our first one is left foot forward, right foot back. And we're going to load, squeeze the core, drop, and we're just going to jump off of 2 and land on 2. 1 in that staggered position. Very good. Yep, staggered. Here we go. Left foot forward, right foot back. Load, squeeze, drop, go. 2. Yes. Again. 1 more. Load, drop, jump. Yeah. Cool. So now it's staggered again. Left foot forward, right foot back. And we load, and we drop, and we lift. And then we jump, land on 2. Okay? Ready. Stagger, load, drop, lift, jump, land on 2. Good. Here we go. Breathe, load, drop, lift, go, land on 2. Nice. This is just a demonstration of what happens when you are getting tired and you're running out of fuel. Hard to focus, hard to execute, not as powerful, just not present, okay? So that's where you're like, maybe I should have a Gatorade or something in addition to my water so that when it's just that little extra long, I have that extra energy to follow through, okay? It's not you sometimes, it's literally your brain. All right, here we go. This one is again where you're lifting, jumping, and landing on 2. Okay, split, load, squeeze, drop, lift, go. Land on 2. Cool. Now we're gonna land on 1. So load, drop, lift, jump, land on 1. Ready. Load, drop, lift, jump. Good. 1. Good. Here we go again. Be explosive now. Load, drop, lift, jump. 2. 1 more. You guys are all, also I think you're tired, so your knees like bloop a little bit. That's where the balance comes into play. Just keep fighting for it by driving here, here, not here. Ready? 1 more. Load, drop, lift, jump. Land on 1. Yes, good. So now we'll move it over. So it's the load, drop, lift, power over. Load, drop, lift, land on 2. Okay? Ready. Load, drop, lift, go. Land on 2. 2 feet, 1 sound. So I don't want to see, ready? Load, drop, lift, go. Good. 1 more of this one. Load, drop, lift, go. Land on 2. Okay, now we're going to land on 1. Find your balance point. Load, drop, lift, go. Good. That was a good fight. Load, drop, lift, jump. Good. 2. Quinn, you were the lowest one. Very good. Quinn's ready to go. Do not mess with her out on the field. She will run circles around you. You ready? Load, drop, lift, go. Nice. Now it's power back. Okay? 3 more, guys. 3 more. Add that power back. Load, drop, lift, go. Push. Good. Stay low. 1 more. 2 more. Load, drop, lift, go. Yes. That was good. Last one. Load, drop, lift, go. Nice job. Rest. We're going to take a break. We're ready. All right, so we're going to do right foot forward, left foot back. And we're going to start in a split leg stance, and we're going to jump and land on 2 feet. All right, so it's load, squeeze the lower core, drop, jump. 1. Good. Let's do it again. Load, don't let your knees drop in. Drop, jump. There you go. 2. So if your knees drop in like this, chances are you're not using your glutes and your hamstrings. So if we go like this, now these muscles can fire for us, our speed power. All right, ready? One more time, same thing, split leg, land on 2. Load, squeeze the core, drop, jump. Good. So now we're gonna switch that drill to single leg. So you're gonna load the same way, you're gonna drop, pick the back leg up, land on 2, okay? Ready. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, go. 1. 2 more of those. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, go. 2. 1 more. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, go. Nice job. So the next one, instead of just jumping off of that single leg, when you drop, I know you've done this one before. So you're loading, you're dropping, pick it up, scrape. So you do like a little hop and then you jump up again. So load, drop, pick it up, scrape. See how I'm doing that? Yeah, you have. You have. You have. In the winter. Okay, ready? Facing me. Okay, right foot forward, left foot back. Load, drop, pick up the back leg, scrape, jump. There you go. Don't lose your mind. You totally got this. Okay, let's try it again. So the idea of the approach is to like prep and land. Ready? Right foot forward, left foot back. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, scrape, up. Yes, except land on one leg. That was good. One more time. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, scrape, go. See? Beautiful, Quinn. Good, guys. And now the last one is from that stationary position, we're going to power over. Oh, we got 2 more. So load, drop, lift, land on 2. Reset. Okay? Ready. Engage the core. Load, squeeze, drop. Go. I forgot to say lift, right? This one's land on 2. So you all landed on 1 leg. So watch how I load, squeeze, drop, pick, land on 2. Not. Okay? Ready. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, go, land on 2. Good, good body position. 1 more of those. Load, drop, pick the back leg up, go. Yes. So now you'll land on 1 leg. So you do the same exact thing. Load, drop, pick it up, land on 1. The opposite one. Ready. Load, drop, lift, jump. 1. Okay, so if you notice, some of you when you landed were here, and some of you were here. So you want to land in an athletic position to be able to move wherever you want to go off of that landing. If I land like this, look, I got no control. Okay? Here. All right, ready? Load, squeeze, drop, lift, go. Stay low. Good fight. And you want to try to fight for it. One more of those. Load, drop, lift, go. Nice job. Can you send it back? So as soon as you land, push back. Load, drop, lift. Ready? Stay low. Load, squeeze the core, drop, lift, go, push. 1. Good. 2 more. You got this. Strong mind, strong body. Set, load, drop, lift, go, push. Yes. 1 more. Set, load, drop, lift. You did your own thing there. It's fine. 1 more. Split leg. You want to be powerful. You want to get low. I know you're tired. Load, squeeze the core, drop, lift, go, push. Nice job. All right. So we're going to take a break, and then we're going to work that whole thing on the other side.